Are you a chocolate lover? Does the mere thought of a decadent dessert make your taste buds tingle with anticipation? Well, prepare to be tantalized as we dive into the indulgent world of the chocolate hazelnut brownie cheesecake. Start by preheating your oven to 325 degrees. While it warms up, let's turn our attention to the star of the show, the chocolate hazelnut brownie base. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, and half a cup of melted butter. Mix these together until you achieve a smooth consistency. Next, add half a cup of all-purpose flour, a third of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Stir these ingredients together until they're well combined. Now for the piece de resistance, stir in 1 cup of toasted chopped hazelnuts and half a cup of dark chocolate chunks. Pour this delectable mixture into a greased and lined baking pan and bake for about 20 minutes. While the brownie base is cooling, it's time to prepare the creamy cheesecake layer. In a separate bowl, beat together 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese until it's soft and fluffy. Gradually add in 1 cup of sugar, beating until it's well incorporated. Add in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is well combined before adding the next. Finally, stir in half a cup of sour cream and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Pour this creamy concoction over the cooled brownie base, smoothing it out with a spatula. Pop it back into the oven for around 45 minutes, or until the cheesecake is set and the edges are lightly browned. Once it's done, allow it to cool in the oven with the door slightly ajar for about an hour. Then, chill it in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours, but overnight is best if you can resist the temptation. To recap, start with a rich chocolate hazelnut brownie base, top it off with a creamy cheesecake layer, and let it chill until it's set. The result? A decadent chocolate hazelnut brownie cheesecake to satisfy even the most discerning chocolate lover. Now the only question left is, when will you be making yours?